Hi, today for the Samsung Galaxy A14 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag the zip to another one. So by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Also get one more way how we can do that. We just should hold for a while the application, click to select and select for example these three applications, then we should click to create folder. So here we get two different ways how we can do that. Just to give a name or to rename the folder, we should tap once on the name and enter for example the apps, then click to done, and now we just successfully give a name to our folder. Also get one more way how we can rename it. Just hold it for a while and click here to add this icon, and after that we can just successfully change the name. So also if you wanna add more applications in your folder, you can click here to this plus icon and select just for example more applications. For example, I just selected these three from the 37 and just tap to done, and we can see that we just successfully add them to our folder. We can also change the background of the folder. Just for example, let's select one from these available ones, click here to OK, and that's it. Or if you want to move this folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To remove the application from the folder, we should just hold it and drag it to the home screen to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, you should hold it and tap to remove. Also, we can just select for example two applications and create the new folder, or just remove them, or also to remove all of the applications with the folder together in one click. Just hold the folder and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.